Here are 3 tips to declutter your closet and your clothes and keep it clutter-free forever. If you're just finding me here, I share lots of help on decluttering your home, your time, and your life. So make sure you save this video so you can review it again. Hey everyone. So today I want to share my best tricks for decluttering your clothes and your closet, even if you hate getting rid of things. Here's tip number 1. Painlessly edit your wardrobe because more isn't better. You want proof? Professional organizers know that about 20% of the clothes in your closet get worn 80% of the time. The clothes you do not wear are not providing you with more choices. They are just taking up space and crowding out the clothes you like to wear. So decide what you wear most, least, and not at all. Do not focus on what you are letting go of. That'll just make you feel bad. Instead, focus on what you are gaining, which is more space for the items you love to wear and look good in. It's so much easier to stay upbeat when you are feeling good than to motivate yourself when you are feeling bad, right? And if it turns out that while you are editing, you find a few things you know you are finished with, now you can actually go shopping with a clear conscience. Tip number 2, you can only find what you can see. A closet is basically a small room where your clothes live. And now that you've edited your wardrobe, it's time to arrange it. You want to store things simply, and that way you will always be able to see them, take them out when you need them, and most importantly, put them away when you are done. Remember, every step involved in putting something away becomes a potential obstacle to actually putting it away. So avoid any storage solution that is so clever that using it feels like a pain in the butt. Almost always, simpler is going to be better. Here's tip number 3. Use your smarts to make over your storage space. Remember, like with like. And that references the second leg of the organizational triangle. One home for everything, like with like, and something in, something out. One home for everything and like with like is how we get organized. Something in, something out is how we stay organized. And so, like with like means all like objects live together, not most of them, but all of them. So all of the tools live together, all of the office supplies live together, and in your closet, all your shoes live together, all your bags live together, all your belts live together. And so, with that in mind, shirts should be grouped first by sleeve length and then by color. The same goes for your shorts and your pants. This makes getting dressed incredibly easy. You pick what you need based on the weather and the occasion, and you are ready to go. No scrambling to find that pair of black pants you need for the office. Everything is right at your fingertips. Also, your kitchen isn't the only room that can benefit from zones, so take a good look at the space in your closet and make sure you are using it wisely. Find low rods for shorter garments and don't be afraid to use vertical space. That's what step stools are for. So group bulky items together like thick woolen sweaters and think of where you can easily get all your belts and scarves so they aren't mixed in with everything else. You don't want them thrown into just one general basket. If your folded clothes are rolled up or shoved into a tight space or even falling over in a tumbled heap, it's time to channel your inner retail worker and straighten them up. You don't need to fold them like origami. Don't make yourself crazy. You can just get them all the same size so they easily stack on top of each other without sliding out of their stacks. This not only makes it easier to find what you're looking for, it also helps prevent wrinkles and damage to clothing over time, which is super important. Now give these tips a try and see the difference for yourself. Happy decluttering. And don't forget to like and save this video so you will be able to find it again. And if you want live organizing help with a fun group of people just like you, join my upcoming De-Stress Your Mess Challenge. And I will be spending 5 days with the group teaching you exactly how to get free from clutter forever. Check it out at the link in my bio.